How to download files from Mega. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new video, and in this video we will see how we can download files from Mega. So let's get started. First of all, launch the Mega application in your mobile device and you have to log into your Mega account. Once you have logged in and you land on this page, now to download any files from Mega, you have to navigate to that specific file. For example, I have some file on the docs, so I will just tap on docs. Or if you have any audio or music, you can navigate to that as well. Now once you have your file in Mega, all you have to do is tap on the three dot icon next to that file, and from this drop down box scroll down a bit and there is an option as save to device. Simply tap on it, and with that this file will be downloaded from Mega to your device. Now if you like to make it available offline, then you have to turn on this toggle that says available offline. Now with save to device option, you can simply download files from Mega to your device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I will see you on the next video.